In this video, I'll show you how to turn off instant book on Airbnb. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can turn off instant book on Airbnb. So first, go ahead and switch to hosting by clicking on the switch to hosting button. Then here, head over into your listings. So click on that listings tab. Click on your specific listing, and as you can see, you'll be able to find more details about your listing at the left side of your screen. So from here, you can go ahead and scroll down and look for this instant book section from the left side of your screen. So click on that instant book section. To be able to turn off instant book, you can go ahead and disable that. So you'll find this message. So go ahead and confirm the disabling by clicking on that turn instant book off. And after you turn that off, make sure to save the changes to your specific listing by clicking on the save button at the bottom of your screen. And that is how you can basically turn off instant book on Airbnb. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.